It's not snowing ash like it was. I mean, there still is ash coming down. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it. You'll be able to see the collections of it. I take that back. It's still coming down pretty good. It's very petite. It smells like smoke out here, like really bad smoke. But here, this is all ash from the fire. Ash is falling right in here. It's going this way. Might be able to see it. Might be able to see it if I come up against red. Ugh, I take that back. It is still coming down pretty good. But the sun, it's no longer red as it was. It was red, bright orange and red. But, yeah, it's still snowing ash. I can see it. I don't see it on here because it's so tiny. It's so little. All that in the back of the truck, that's all ash. Oh. What? Okay. That is ash. This is everywhere. And look, we just took out red this morning, and this has accumulated since we've been home for the last couple hours. And poor Blackie. Poor Blackie. Oh, now you can, it's coming down big time now. Now I looked at the sun, all I can see is this big orange spot. But yeah, so, you know, it's just a little ashy out here. It's alright. Look at the cobwebs covered in ash. Everything is running and hiding from it. It's all over the screen of my phone now. Trying to find a good place where you can see it coming down. But there's not a good place to see it coming down because it's like floating everywhere. But it's so fine. And it's all in front of me. Yep, the ash is falling. See red? I'm gonna go inside and be covered in ash. The dashboard's dirty. Red's dirty. Ash. It does not discriminate, the ash. Whoa, there's ash right there in front of my face. It's definitely not discriminating anything. You can't. God, I hope it shows up on camera. But yeah. That's the car window. Car window. And the car. Oh my God, the car. The car, it's so dirty. Look at this. It's insane how dirty it is. So I don't know how much you can see if it's where it's falling. Come out under the tree. Maybe we can see it better. No, we're pretty well protected under the tree. I mean, we have a lot of cover under here. And there's my new tree. That's a new shoot off of the root, which this was a shoot off of the root of this tree. So this tree's root went this way, and it's there. We cleared out the bush from over there, and now this one is growing. So off of that root, and we've got that one. Oh, I take that back. Out here, even under the tree, I'm getting ashed on. Ash. I was just hoping maybe if I was out of the direct sun, you could see it. But I don't really think it makes any difference. You can't see it because it's so fine. Yeah, get out of my neighborhood. Let's see, can we see it better in the... It's on the whole screen of my phone. No, you can't see it any better back here. All my apples. I don't know what happened. They all went bad this year. They're all over. I mean, it's ashy out here and it stinks like ash all the high hell. And I don't see any. I mean, I can see the ash. I just don't think you can see it on camera. But the sky is supposed to be 80-some degrees today. And as you can see, the sky is not blue. Definitely not a blue sky, as you can see from the sun. Oh, hey, there's ash flying in right now. I'll stand right here. I should have worn a mask. I didn't wear a mask. Nope. Not as bad as like when Mount St. Helens blew, but do we have plums? Let's see if we have plums. We don't have plums. The neighbors have plums. Oh, Maxie Max. Oh, Max. Maxie Max. Max and Max. I know, it's all yucky outside. God, I wish you could see it on camera. I'll have to watch the video and see. Like, it's really got a good current going right here. It's a good current of ash just swirling about out here. Right in this area. Kind of why I came out here, because I figured in this corner, if anything, you'd be able to see it the best. Yeah, we have a dirty shed patio. We need to do our backyard. Our neighbors did theirs. See? It's so pretty. Ours is not. So pretty. Okay. Let's go back inside. I don't want to breathe this shit anymore. Walking through the ash. Walking through the ash. Ugh. Oh, we scared the squirrel. There's a squirrel. Look at these babies. These baby, look at all of these are baby apples. Baby apple shoots. They gotta go. They got to go. What happened there? What the fuck? What the fuck happened there? Oh. Can you see the ash now? Swirling around? Oof. Okay.